Okay, good evening, everybody. In this tutorial, as spoken English teacher, I have given you many different topics, and I believe that you will try to explain about your viewpoint related to the topics as what is given to you. First and foremost, you know that what is much formal, you have to give your introduction first. Then try to clarify about the presentation, which is playing in your mind. So let's start. Who take the initiative? Please carry on.
Good evening, my dear friends. I'm Sudeep. I read in class 5. My school name is Bachelor in SCC High School. Today, in our tutorial, our respected sir give us a very nice topic for discussion. The topic name is Government Hospital and Private Hospital. Which is best? To starting this point, first of all, I want to mention the basic difference between government hospital and private hospital. The difference are very simple. The difference is the peoples who have money but not have such time, they try to admit their patients in private hospital, and people who have time but not have such money, they try to admit their patients in government hospital. That's are the basic difference. But I listen many bad things or negative thoughts from people that in government hospital which treatment will provided from patients that are not comfortable, and to take that treatment the patients are not totally recover. That's a very negative thoughts. In government hospital which treatment will be provided, that's also being very similar from a private hospital. So that's are not very that is very bad thing. And in government hospital, and anotherly in government hospital which doctor do their job and take salaries after to earn extra money or extra charge, they will go or do their give their service in private hospital. So that is not a matter. So I have a very bigger example, that is a doctor who can who was or give treatment in government hospital 50 odds people and earn or take her salary 50,000 rupees. So in the same way, to earn extra money, that doctor will try to watch 10 odds or 20 odds patients with very carefully and give them very much extra cares, so he can earn 1 lakhs of money. So that are very bad thing, and that make the doctors very greedy. So they try to which doctor try to do her job in government hospital, they try to make their attempt in private hospital. For that reason it becomes so popular. So I have a next example. Suppose a doctor who came from USA to he tried to prove him to be a doctor in India. So first of all, he should be do many certain treatment in government hospital, because without to do any treatment, how people know him, or without to take any government symbol, he can't prove himself. So first of all, he should do many treatments, and after when people know him and to take a government symbol, he will become a very popular doctor and get a chance or permission to watch or give her service in private hospital. The next point is, we everybody knows that in government hospital, if you want to admit your patients, so you should pay a very little bit of money, or maybe become free. So for that reason, people try to admit their patients in government hospital. But we also know that in private hospital, to give extra and high voltage of money, you should be admit your patient. So that think about us, or think about the middle class person, so how they will can afford, because which money they will take in, that will become so high voltage or very high class of, that is so costly, so everyone can't afford that. So here I want to take my ask my question, that is, to do checkup or watch her patients in government hospital, are the patient will die? No. Are the ill patients will not be cured. No, the patient obviously cured. The difference is here that in government hospital there are many certain odds of patients, and in private hospital the patients popularity is very few. So for that reason, population is very few. So for that reason, they can give extra care, and in government hospital they can't watch any one patient very carefully, so there everybody is same. So for that reason, that is the bigger difference. So I want to tell something about the private hospital. So to starting this point, first of all, one question is raised that what is called private hospital. Private hospital means personal operated hospital. So everybody knows that in private hospital, we everybody know that we should pay extra money or high costly money. But in the same way, they also try to give us a much more care, and to give us that care, they try to watch the patients. And another example I want to mention that in village, think about in village, patients who become affected with COVID-19 situation or COVID-19 positive person. So that is a very immediate and emergentical
Treatment is
treat,
needed.
treatment is needed. So that time in her own village there was many government hospital, but there was no any doctors. So that time he faced a very dangerous problem. So that people are suggest him to go in city hospital,
Referred patients to go to
refer
city.
patient to city hospital. So that time many things will can happen. The patient condition become very dangerous. So that is become
Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Give a big hand to this fellow. Have done a very good job in it.